Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'll be showing you two simple hair treatment you can make at home. Use on your hair and watch it grow thick, healthy and long in a short period of time. So you need to watch this video to the end so you won't miss any important information and any ingredient. The first ingredient we have is rice. I'll be making use of brown rice. You can also use white rice. Just use any type of rice you have. So I'm just going to use about 2 tablespoons of rice and transfer to this separate bowl, and then I will be washing it to get rid of dirt. Rice is an amazing source of protein and amino acids which are helpful, and they help to support the strength of the hair. So if your hair is weak and if you have thinning hair and you want to increase to boost volume and increase thickness, then you need to try rice. If you haven't used it, it has been used for centuries by Asian women to grow their hair long. The next ingredient we will be adding is orange peels. Orange peels are amazing because they will help to get rid of fermented rice water smell. When rice water ferments, it tends to produce a very strong smell. So adding orange peels will help to get rid of that. But this is optional. You can choose to use the rice water and then later on you can add essential oil or just use the way it is if you're okay with the smell. And so I added it and added some water. I used warm water, but you can also use cold water. I went ahead and left it to ferment for 48 hours. And after 48 hours, this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to transfer to a bowl and I'll be using my fingers and my hands to rub the rice in between them just to make sure that all the nutrients are extracted. So after I wrapped them in between my fingers, now I'm just straining out to get the rice water. So this method is really amazing. If you want to make the perfect rice water, you have to keep it for long. You can just leave it for even 5 days if you want. The next ingredient we have is aloe vera. Aloe vera is amazing. This plant has really helped me to grow my hair. I, I have a lot of aloe vera in my place, so I make aloe vera juice and I use it. I don't use regular water if I want to remoisturize my hair. And guys, this plant has really helped me. It has helped my hair to grow in thickness. Also, my hair is softer than never before, and also the health of my hair now right now is amazing. So this plant is a good to me. If you have any aloe vera around you, or if you don't have, you can just buy aloe vera juice and start using on your hair, and you'll be amazed on how your hair will grow healthy. So I just went ahead and washed the aloe vera to get rid of latex, a substance which can be irritating to the scalp. And I went ahead and removed the outer skin, cut it into smaller pieces, transferred to a blender and blended. And this is how it's looking like. I'm going to squeeze out all the aloe vera juice. As you can see, my aloe vera contains a lot of water. I did not add any water. This is all aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to mix the rice water and the aloe vera together, and I'm going to stir it and mix everything together. And after mixing, I'm going to transfer the mixture to a spray bottle, and I like to use this as a leave-in. And after I apply it, I just follow up with a leave-in conditioner and oil or hair butter to seal in moisture. This is amazing. The next method is we have rosemary. We will be making use of dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary is an amazing herb that has really helped me to grow my hair. I have been saying this to almost all my videos. I don't like skipping rosemary. Every time I make my hair teas, I don't like to skip rosemary, and I don't like it in my kitchen. I always have rosemary, and I make my teas with rosemary. I make sure I include rosemary, and it has really helped me to grow my hair. So if you haven't used rosemary, really you need to use it. You need to start using it right now because your hair will grow like a weed. So I'm just adding 3 tablespoons of rosemary. I like to use a lot because it has no any effect. So I added to this jar, and I covered, and I'll leave it to infuse for overnight. We will also be needing aloe vera, just half aloe vera or full aloe vera leaf. I went ahead and washed it, and now I'm removing the outer skin, and I'll cut them into small pieces, and then I will blend into just to make aloe vera juice. If your aloe vera is jelly or contains a lot of gel, you can add water to make the aloe vera juice. Right now, I will be straining out using a piece of cloth. Just make sure to use something with very tiny hose just to extract the juice without any particles. Aloe vera is amazing because it helps to soften the hair and also helps to soothe the scalp if you have any inflammation, irritation, flakes on your scalp, including aloe vera juice to your hair care routine or aloe vera gel is going to do wonders. So my rosemary water infused really well. As you can see, the color now is dark brown. So I'm just going to mix everything together, like the aloe vera juice and the rosemary water. After I mix them, I'm going to transfer to a spray bottle, and you can use this as a leave-in. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and also leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.